Kia ora guys, welcome back to another flip video session. Today we're learning to identify verb tenses. Are you living in the past, present or future? What do you spend most of your time thinking about? The past, the present, or what's going to happen in the future? Verb tenses, let's get into it. We modify or change verbs, doing words, to make it clear when something is happening or when something has happened. The different verb forms for past, present and future are called tenses. So past tense, I walked, ed, walked to the shops. Present tense, I am walking to the shops. Future tense, I will walk to the shops. The past means it's already happened. It's been and gone. Present means it's happening right now. It's present tense. Future tense means it is going to happen in the future. So we have past, present and future tense. Lots of present tense verbs can be changed into past tense by adding the suffix ed, by adding ed onto the end of the word. For example, talk would be present tense. If we put ed on the end, talked, past tense. For example, I am talking on the phone. Present, I talked on the phone. Past tense. Same can be done for yawn. It can be turned into yawned. Jump into jumped. We add ed. However, grammar, spelling mistake there, sorry guys. Grammar would be so much easier if all past tense verbs ended in ed, but they don't. The English language is full of irregular verbs. So what are they? Irregular verbs are verbs that don't follow the ed rule. For example, present tense is run, future tense will run, past tense ran. Oh no, you can't just add ed onto run because it'll be runned. The man runned up the hill. It doesn't make sense. The man ran up the hill. The same is for sleep. We change that to slept. The man slept in his bed. Not the man slept in his bed. Built for build. The man builded his house. Doesn't make sense. The man built his house. For keep, we change that to kept. The man kept looking behind him. Spent instead of spended. Spended just doesn't sound right. The man spended a lot of money. No, the man spent a lot of money. Then we have left. They left the concert and went home. They levered the concert and went home. Doesn't make sense. They left. The man leapt out of the burning house. The man leaped out of the burning house. No, doesn't make sense. Leapt. And the man losed his keys. No, the man lost his keys. So here you can see we have some irregular verbs. We have the past tense, the present tense, and the future tense examples there for you to look at. So pause the screen, have a look at it. Alright guys, I want you to be able to tell me the verb tense you have written in this week. Remember, select a verb tense and be consistent with it. Cheers guys, good luck.